Hey everyone, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. I wanted to show you some of the various postcards that we use with our marketing efforts. We've, used several different types of postcards over the years, and we continue to refine and get better and better. And as a result, we get, a better response rate with our customers. Part of that's because we're getting better at making more enticing offers on our postcards, and part of that is because we're getting more and more brand recognition, because building your business, like I've said in a video before, is all about branding. It's all about getting your name out. It's all about people seeing you and seeing you multiple times in multiple different ways, to the point to where they associate you with whatever service that you offer. Most marketing experts say that people need to see you from 7 times as high as 12 times before they start to associate you with that service. So they call those touches. So let's say a customer opens up their Facebook and they see your ad today. That's one touch. They look out the window and they see your vehicle driving by. That'd be 2 touches. They go out to their mailbox or look on their door and they see one of these postcards. That'd be 3 touches. And then that repeats itself, over and over again. That's the same thing happens the next week or the week after. Pretty soon after that happens so many times, you'll notice that you'll start to get a lot more calls, because people are starting to associate you with that service and they're starting to recognize your brand. And that's why you get a lot of people saying that, they'll print out 10,000 postcards and mail them out one time to 10,000 different people and not get any results. And then they're like, well, this sucks. This doesn't work. We're not getting any results. And that's just because they didn't, it doesn't work the first time. It has to build up. People have to see you many, many times. And it's better to send 1,000 postcards to the same, 10 postcards to the same 1,000 people, send it to them 10 times, than it is to send 10,000 people one postcard, because you're not going to get very good results. But when we started doing all this, we didn't get very good results. We didn't get a lot of calls, but the more we do it, and the more we do it in conjunction with our other marketing, such as Facebook and Google, we're getting a much higher response rate than we used to. Now, we've been getting much better at our Facebook ads and Google ads and our SEO with our website. So I don't know in the future if we will continue print marketing. It is effective, but it just takes a lot more labor, and you have to have somebody dedicated to do the print marketing, whether it be your guys, or in our case, my wife Sasha is our marketing manager. She does all of our print marketing. But in the future, we may go all digital. But in the meantime, since we have somebody that is dedicated to be able to do that, we do get a good return with it, and it's very effective. And what we try to do is we try to time it where we put the postcards in the neighborhood in a certain day, and then we boost all of our Facebook ads in that neighborhood at the same time. And it gets you a lot better result. And that's something we learned from the Lawn Care Millionaire. One of his tips is to, try to do that at the same time, and it's going to, kind of get you a better return on both of your ads. So here's an example of a mowing postcard we did last year. It just says, relax and let us take care of the lawn. And this might be this year, I can't tell. But you can see, we led with an offer as low as $55 per month. Now, that does not mean we're mowing for $25 or $27.50. We're not low ballers. We're actually one of the highest ones our market. All we do is we're doing monthly contracts, and we add up all of the mowings for the whole year and divide it over the term of their contract, which, if they signed up at the beginning of the year, it would be 12 months. So that's how we can advertise prices like that. Doesn't mean we're mowing for $27.50 per mow. So that's not it. But like I said, when they divide that out over the month, that's how they can get their payments at that low. Here's the same kind of thing with our lawn treatments. We used to do postcards where we offered like every service. We'd have mowing, mulch, lawn treatments, but we noticed that people don't really, it's too busy and people don't respond. So, you want to kind of keep it simple and maybe market 1, maybe 2 services at the most on your postcards. Otherwise, you're not going to get a good response rate. So you can see here we have a postcard that we'll distribute for mowing, one that we'll do for lawn treatments, one that our newest one, the ones that we're doing for mulch. And on each one, you want to make sure that you have an end date so that you create urgency. You know, if there's no expiration of your coupon, then there's no incentive for people to call you. So you want to try to have an expiration date that is very close within the next 2 or 3 weeks. And you want to have an offer. So, you know, so 10% off, something that makes people want to call you. So, you know, you can see on each one of these, we have some kind of various offer that expires within a few weeks of when they get the postcard, preferably within a couple weeks. We used to have a lot of fine print, and I think our postcards are still pretty busy, but we have simplified them greatly because, like I said, if you try to put every piece of small print under the sun on them, it's just too busy, and people just throw them away. They don't even look at them. And if you look at postcards from big companies like True Green and other companies, they'll have the most simple postcards, and they'll have very little information on it. And when people call you, they can get all that information, or when they visit the website. But we've got a compelling offer. We've got an expiration date. We've got good pictures of our work, not just generic photos, and people can see what we offer. We make it very simple to contact us. We have the phone number, the website. You know, probably a lot of our customers don't even know how to use QR codes. I don't. I'm not very good with technology, but if they want to, they can. You know, and it just says call today for your free estimate. So that's just some examples of our postcards. This is an older one when we used to do door hangers. Now we just do these postcards, and we get them from Vistaprint. And I love Vistaprint. You know, I love to support local print shops, but it's very hard to beat the customer service you get from Vistaprint. They are fantastic as far as customer service. We order postcards, and we always get them within a week. And if anything is wrong, they are awesome to take care of you. They'll send you a whole batch, no questions asked. They give great discount codes throughout the year. So, you know, as much as I love to support small local shops, it's hard to beat Vistaprint. So we get these, I think they're 5.5 by 7 or 5.5 by 9 or something like that. But we get these postcards, and, you know, they work really well for us. So I hope that helps. If you have any pointers or any suggestions or anything that's worked very well for you, please leave it in the comments below. But this is what works for us. We try to do just one side because we've tried 2 sides, and you end up just wasting the money because they're only going to see one side. But if you want to check out how we distribute these, look at another one of our videos my wife Sasha made about a year ago, talking about how she puts these either in the newspaper boxes under the mailbox, not in the mailbox, which is illegal, but in the newspaper box if they have those, or she puts them on their door, under their doormat or in their door, you know, when she distributes them. But watch that video, watch the video about soliciting and what soliciting is, because a lot of people try to tell you that's soliciting and it's not. And, you know, there's a whole big thing about that. But, you know, you have every right to distribute your marketing within the law. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your support, and have a great day.